Okay, guys, so we're in a whole new world right now. We don't quite know what's going on, and we don't know when we're going to be through these isolation measures. It's with complete regret that I've had to close my clinic, but I've got to do that for the safety of me, my family, and also for you guys that are all coming in to see me. But obviously, we've got to keep moving, we've got to keep our bodies working, and coming out to this kind of environment is probably not the safest thing to do. Whereas going to a hospital, if you need to, absolutely do that. But just coming out for a routine check is probably not necessary. So what I'm trying to do is I'm going to put together some videos over the next few weeks, which will hopefully be able to help you and people to really keep their backs moving, keep their shoulders moving, keep their necks sorted, leg pain gone, so that any issues you've got, by all means, send me messages and I'll try and do some help for you, but we'll try and get it sorted so you've got some really good information on how to get yourself going again. So without further ado, today I'm going to show you just a basic low back one that I use for myself. Hopefully that will get you going and we'll take it from there. Good luck. Okay, so I'm going to show you some options for doing work on the floor. It's probably the easiest place for most people to do it. It's a nice firm surface. If you can do it on a hard floor, even if you've got a bit of carpet down, that's fine. Please don't do it on big, soft, squishy beds. That's probably not going to help you at all. This is what I've always done if ever I've got low back issues. Fortunately, I get them very much now because I've worked on it, but I'll show you how to do it and so hopefully that can really help you too. Okay, so basically what we did, we start off in an all-fours position like this. Okay, and then all we're going to do is we're going to drop our tummy button down towards the floor, and we lift our tummy back up, and you're going to come up almost like a cat stretching. What I do is repeat that 5 times. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then from there we're going to make a change, and what we're going to do is we're going to go from side to side, almost like an alligator walking. So the bend is going to happen here, and I'm going to twist my bottom away from you and towards, so I'm going to be doing effectively that position. What I'm not doing is I'm not rolling my whole body, I'm trying to bend roughly in the middle, so it's my low back that's doing the work. Same thing again, so it's just going to be 1. Best not to do with anybody watching, it looks a bit silly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and the last one I do is if you come forward, like you're almost doing like a press up type position, you hold that for 3 seconds, 2, 3, and you go back and you keep your hands in the same place and you sit right on your feet and you're slowly coming right back down like this. So again, 5 of these. So 2, 3, 4. If you can gradually get your head down towards your knees as you do it, you'll be getting a bit more of a stretch. So 4, 5. Okay, so that's the first little routine. That should be nicely warmed up. Next little bit, I tend to do a glute bridge and I do a side lying clamp, but they seem to be quite helpful. So all I'll do is I'll get onto my back, lying down like this, hands by my side, and very slowly what I'm going to do is almost roll my pelvis up. So you can see I'm starting here and I'm rolling up, and as I get to here, I'm coming up into a bridge position. 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to roll back down again. 5 of these. 2, 3, 4. You'll feel it in your thighs, that's absolutely fine. And you'll feel it in your hamstrings as well. I tend to find that if you're doing it properly, you should do. Good. So 5 of those. The last one to do is you roll onto your side. Support your head with the pillow if you can, or your arm like I have. Now, it's going to be this knee that's doing all the work. This knee's going to come up. It's going to get as far as it can, but I'm not allowing myself to roll back. I'm not leaning against anything, I'm doing it freestanding on the floor. My feet, my hips and my shoulders are absolutely in a line. And I'm going to come up as far as I can. When I get as far as I think I can, I can't go any further. I'm going to feel, I'm not actually going to do it, it's going to feel like I'm pulling forward here, and I'm going to lift my leg. Yeah, that last little bit. And down. There's no speed in any of this. It's all every movement is very, very slow. So there's no kind of, to get started, it's all very slow. If you feel yourself a bit juddery, I'm going to pull forward. Get the last little bit. And feel it through the adductor here. And slowly control it all the way down again. Up, pull, lift. I'd normally repeat this on both sides. I won't do that on the video because it's a bit boring for you to watch. Lift and pull. Last one. Pull forward, lift, and hold. Back down. Okay, and the very final thing I do, and this is actually something which works for tons of problems with low backs, is just your standard hard round ball. These are about 80 millimeters. 70 millimeters is fine. 60 millimeters is fine. So basically about the size of a tennis ball, but something that sounds quite hard. It mustn't be soft and squishy at all. And this honestly is one of the best things for getting rid of low backache. All you do is you lie on your back. I'll show you this way around. Now, I'm going to be working on my right buttock, so I'm going to put my right leg flat. I'm going to roll away. I'm going to put the ball underneath my butt cheek. Now, I'm going to roll up onto it using this leg to push me up, but I'm not going to tense this buttock at any point. I'm just going to roll, and I'm now lying on the ball. I don't know if you can see it. It's just underneath there. And all I'm going to do is just move very slowly till I find little bits like that really hurt. So that's about a 4 out of 10, so it's not a bad one on me. Whereas there, that's about a 6. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to wait until it becomes a 3. There you go, that's easing off. I'm going to move just a few millimeters to see if I can find anything else. I might have to go down, I might have to go up, all over the place, but just move a few millimeters at a time, so you're not doing anything too quick. So there you go, but make sure this is relaxed and you're not tensing your buttock. There's another one. Now, for most people, this will be absolute agony when you first start doing this. I do this on a daily basis with my work, so I'm not too bad. Okay, so bear in mind that when you start this, you'll maybe be able to do 4 or 5 points before you've just had enough. Okay, so there's another point. That's only about a 3 or a 4 for me. But again, I'm just going to wait until it goes. Good. Now, if you find that that was dead easy, you've got one other option. And that's that you cross the leg you're treating over the top of the other leg and you bend. Put the ball underneath your buttock and you come up into a sitting position on it. Now, if I let my arms go, I've got all my weight on that ball and I can really get in. That's a lot worse on me. So that's probably a good 8 out of 10. All I'm going to do is wait there for a second. There you go, that's gone now. And I'm just going to roll around and make sure I can find that all of those points have gone. Last one there. And gone. Okay, so you can do that for a couple of minutes. If it feels bruised, don't do it. If it feels painful, that's a different thing. There's a difference between pain and bruise. If it's uncomfortable, by all means do it. Don't go crazy because you might hurt yourself, but like you'd have to be going crazy to do it. But do have a go. See how you go on. I hope that really helps.